Hey guys, Dan the Man here, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. I have the Razer Deathadder V2 Mini. So this is like a small kind of a mouse in the worlds of mice. It's a pretty small one. So it's kind of feels weird to say mice. Mouses sounds better in my opinion, but not grammatically correct. Okay, so that's the box it comes in. Let's open it up. Have to do it off camera a bit. Okay. Let's use the knife to cut this. Okay, so let's take this out of its packaging. It's a pretty small mouse actually when you compare it with. There's nothing else inside the box left. It's the box it comes with. You got user manual, guide, and things like that. That's pretty much it. You don't need that. These are for you to add it on top of. Let's look at the mouse itself for a moment. So these are for you basically to add these stickers there, the stick there, these there, and then those ones here and there, to basically give you more grip. I mean, if that's what you want or that's what you're after. But if that's not what you're after, well, you don't have to do that. So it comes with a cover for this. It's green, which is pretty cool. It's got like this thing. It feels premium. The cable is actually very nice. I mean, it's like covered with some sort of cloth, you know. For comparison size, let's say I have this MSI GM11 here next to it. In terms of size, I mean, they're pretty much the same. I mean, I do not see a lot of difference there, you know, like in terms of size. But in terms of weight, this is a lot heavier. This is a lot heavier, and it's got RGBs around there too. This only got RGB there. But before all this, let's connect it and see how it looks. Need to find a place. And what's really interesting is that once you connect this mouse, it automatically, your Windows brings up the Razer software for RGB control or some other settings for the mouse. It automatically brings it up, so you have the option to install it if you wanted to. I mean, look at this thing. It's a pretty nice mouse, right? I mean, when you look at it from this angle and you see it. So it's got like the forward or back. It's got the speed adjustment, how fast you want it to move. There's a name for it, DPI adjuster, up and down, and that's it. I mean, in terms of build quality, it's quite good, you know, to be honest with you, it's quite good. It's gonna cost you about like $10 to buy one of these. I mean, you can't ask for more for $10. I mean, it's a great mouse. It's very lightweight, you know, it feels comfortable. I mean, I'll feel comfy using it. You know, so it's a pretty nice mouse in my opinion. And for $10, that's good. I mean, they are pretty much for the same price. They're in the same price range together, but I prefer the MSI. I mean, that's more like a personal preference kind of a thing because it's a bit heavier, but in terms of size, they're pretty much the same. If you especially have a smaller hands, like me perhaps, if you have smaller hands and if you're like a child gamer or teenage gamer and you don't have like very big hands, or if let's say you have big hands, you want a smaller mouse, this is the one for you. Another mouse that's very similar is also this one, HP Pavilion 200. In terms of size, it's the same, but it's a bit heavier. And then something very similar in terms of size and weight is also the Cooler Masters CM110. Which is also a pretty good mouse, you know. And they all go for about 10 to 15 or maximum of $20. They're in that range. And this MSI, this is my favorite one. I've been using it for quite a long time, and it's pretty nice. And it's got nice presentation and stuff like that. So anyways, so if you want a small mouse for like $10, $15, this is great. I mean, this is really good, especially the cable. I love this cable. I mean, I don't think this is gonna rip apart or anything happen like that to it. But this MSI, this type of cable is a bit annoying, and it gets on your way and stuff. But this type of nice, it feels good just to touch this thing, you know. But anyways, I mean, let me bring it closer for you to have a look at it. It's very lightweight. But lightweight doesn't mean that it's cheap. You know, you could remove these things back there or have them or put other ones. You know, it's all your choice. Actually, you don't get anything else in the box. You just get the mouse. That's it. And this little cute strap for cable management thingy, you know. But anyways, that's pretty much it, you know. You guys have a good day. If you like it, thumbs up.